Hi, fourth graders. Today in our vocabulary lesson, we're going to be pretending that we're in a boat. Okay, so I'm first going to start off with sitting in the front of the boat, which is right up here. And this is the back of the boat, okay? Well, today for our lesson, we're going to be using the word astern, okay? First, I'm going to give you guys an example and see if maybe you guys can figure out what the word might mean. I'm going to go to the astern of the boat because I left my paper. All right. Can anybody get any ideas of what might the word mean or what the meaning of the word might be? Yes, Jessie. Yes, of course. Yeah. So in the back of the boat. So astern has two meanings. That was the first meaning. So astern means to be in the back of the boat. Not to be in the back of the boat, but it is the back of the boat. So when I have the second meaning, I'll give you guys another example, okay? So the second meaning is, or here's a sentence, if I'm looking astern, I see dolphins in the water. Okay, any ideas? Yes. When I look backwards, I'm seeing dolphins. So both meanings mean that you have to be in a boat, but it's to be behind or in the back of the boat. When we first look at the word astern, we want to look at how we can break it down, okay? So, here, I'll show you guys. So astern, we need to look at the spelling. A-S-T-E-R-N. Okay, when we break down the word and we try to figure out what the actual meaning is and where it comes from, A means on or into. Stern means in the back of the boat. Or excuse me, in the back of the boat. Yes, okay. Anyways, A comes from Old English. Stern comes from Scandinavia. This word was first used in 1570, but it only had one meaning. I tried to find where the second meaning came from, but it just seems like they just got a broader definition more than actually changing the word into a different meaning, because it still, in a way, means the same thing. It's just behind the boat, not just on and into the boat, even though that's what each word means, or each part means, excuse me. So we're going to start using, both of the meanings have what they are. So the first meaning, which was behind a ship or at or toward the stern of a ship, which is the back, is an adverb. Within the stern in advance, which means backwards, is an adjective. So what are a couple sentences that we can use? For example, I need to go to the astern of the boat to grab something. Or for the second meaning, I looked astern and I saw my dogs in the water. Those are some good examples of what this word means. So, is there any questions on what this word might mean? No? I hope that this presentation gave you guys a good example of where the word came from, how it's used, the description and definition of it, and how to put it in a sentence. Thank you, guys.